What's up everybody? It's Kiki with Team Reese Travels. I'm so glad to have you here today. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Kiki and I am only one part of Team Reese Travels. It's also my husband Ray and my son RJ, and we like to just travel the US and even the world just to show you some of our travel excursions. But what we're doing today is when I say we, I mean myself and my son RJ, just got back from a 7-day vacation in Orlando, and you guys, we had the best time. We had so much fun. If you haven't seen any of those videos, go ahead and click right now. There's a little eye, well, don't click right now because
watch this video first.
But if you haven't seen the rest of the videos, go ahead and click on the playlist. I'll link it up here somewhere for you to be able to click there and see all of the other videos, because we did a lot of fun stuff in Orlando. But one of the things that we did while there, of course, is shop. I mean, who goes on vacation and doesn't shop? And y'all, I got some really cool things. I got Disney stuff from the Disney Character Warehouse, and I bought stuff from Disney Springs, and I bought stuff from Disney World. I think I bought something from Disney World. Maybe not. I don't think I did. We'll talk about that later. But I want to show you all of the cool things that I got. So stick around. Alright, so first thing I want to show you is everything that I got at Disney Springs. So we went to Disney Springs on the last day of our vacation. We went to the World of Disney store, and I got some pretty cool stuff, so I'm excited to show it to you. One of my favorite things that I got at World of Disney is this lounge fly bag. I love this bag. It's so cute, y'all. I love that it's that classic Disney red and black and white, and I mean Minnie Mouse, hello, with the polka dots. I love it. And the bow, isn't that cute? I cannot wait to wear this. I mean, it's got this pocket on the front that's got some storage room in here where you can put stuff, and look at the lining. I don't know if you guys can see the lining in it, but it's so cute. Let me try to pull this out so you can see. But you can see, can you see the lining in there? I'll try to zoom in on it. But it has little Minnie Mouse heads in the lining. It's so cute. I love it. So that's one of my favorite buys from this trip. There's pockets on the sides too for you to stick stuff in. Cute zipper, and same lining inside of the bag too. That Minnie Mouse head. So that is my lounge fly bag that I got from Disney Springs, from the World of Disney store. Something else that I got from the World of Disney store, and this is something that I buy every time I go on a vacation. I bought a Pandora Charm for my Pandora bracelet. So it's in this little box here. Let's see if you can see it. I gotta try to get close up on it so you guys can see it. But it's just this little Pandora Charm, and it is it's the Disney castle, so like Cinderella's castle, right? And it's got this cute little girl and boy figure hanging from the front of it. And I just thought that that was the perfect Pandora Charm to represent mine and RJ's first trip to Disney World. I thought it was just great, and I'm excited to wear this on my Pandora bracelet. I love it. It also has on the back, it says forever on the back. It's so cute. So excited about that. One of my favorite buys as well. Let's see, what else did we get from World of Disney? Oh, my husband Ray. If you haven't met him, go back and watch some of the old videos with Ray. But my husband loves pins. He loves pin trading, so I always get him pins wherever I can find them. And so that's what I got him from Disney, from World of Disney at Disney Springs. He got these two super cute pins I love. Well, actually no, this one is for Ray, this one's for RJ, but this one represents Ray so well. It's so cute. It's Mickey Mouse with sunglasses on, and you can see like the reflection of what looks to be like a Caribbean island inside of Mickey's sunglasses. It's the cutest thing. And I got RJ one that says my first visit, Walt Disney World. Now, if you guys have seen some of our older vlogs, you know that we did go to Pop Century Resort. We stayed there when we were getting ready to leave for a cruise a couple years ago. But we didn't visit any of the parks. So this was our first time going to the parks. So I got that one for RJ to represent his first time at the Disney World theme parks. So we only went to Magic Kingdom. I am already so excited to plan a trip to go back to more of the theme parks because it was so fun. This is the last thing that I got from the World of Disney store. I got Ray a t-shirt because Ray loves t-shirts, and I thought this was super cute. So I got Ray a t-shirt. It says Walt Disney World 2021, and it has Mickey on it, and looks like, oh my god, it's so cute. It's got the castle and Donald Duck, and I mean, it's just the cutest thing. I thought it was really cute. I love the colors. I love how it's got the red and blue and yellow. Blue is my favorite color anyway, so I really loved it. So that is it. That's all that I got from the World of Disney store over at Disney Springs. Now I will show you everything that I got from the Disney Character Warehouse. So if you're not familiar with the Disney Character Warehouse, it's sort of an outlet store, like a Disney outlet store. So they get a lot of items that are a little bit more affordable than what you would find at the actual Disney World theme parks or at the World of Disney store, or even just a regular Disney store. So I like to go there. That was my first time going there. I really liked it. I'll probably go back there every time. I will say that some of the stuff that I really was hoping to see, they didn't have. I really wanted to find more Loungefly bags, but they did not have any. They didn't have any Loungefly bags at the store. So that was a little disappointing, but I mean, still a great experience. Still got a lot of nice stuff that I'll show you right now. So this is something that I bought for RJ, and it's a Mickey hoodie. I thought it was cute. It's that same royal blue that I love. It'll match Ray's t-shirt really well. But it's Mickey. It's got Mickey Mouse here, the 28 there. Somebody tell me what the 28 represents. I think, oh, it looks like maybe 1928. But yeah, somebody comment down below and tell me, because I don't know. I don't know if that's for sure. But that's the back of it. Look at Mickey's little face. Look at him looking like what? I don't know about this. That's the face Mickey has on this, but it's so cute. Also got lots of little Mickeys around here too. I thought that was really cute, and RJ liked it, so we threw that in the basket for him. What's next? Oh, RJ. Again, RJ's first trip. They gave him a first visit button. So this is RJ's first visit button for Disney World. This I thought was really cool. Now, this is just a little keepsake. I don't even know really what to call it. It's just a little piece of metal, but it's the castle, and it says magic on it. This, when I asked the lady what these were for at the register, she said, well, they're not really to be used for anything. They're just really more of a souvenir, but they're made from actual pieces of metal from Disney buildings, Disney rides, and things like that. So you actually are buying a little piece of Disney when you get one of these. They have these in a number of different shapes. You know, the castle, the actual Mickey Mouse. We got a few of them. We already lost some of them, y'all. I mean, life with a 7-year-old, but you know what I mean. But that was really cute. I liked it. Just something to kind of have in your pocket or in your wallet to say, hey, I got a little piece of Disney with me. There's a couple more of those little keepsake pieces like I was talking about. So this one is Mickey's head and it says Imagine. And this one is like the Fantasia Mickey with the hat on. Oh my God, so cute. And it says Believe. So cute. This is my favorite purchase from the Disney character store. You guys, I have always wanted a Disney Spirit jersey, and I finally got a Disney World Spirit jersey. Y'all, I'm so excited about it. I cannot wait to wear it. It's like 85 degrees outside today, so I mean, it's hot here still, so I haven't been able to wear it yet, but I'm looking forward to when it cools off so that I can put this on. This is like, it has all of the characters from like when I was growing up. So let's see, we've got Mickey on here, Pinocchio, we have Dumbo, Jiminy Cricket, like Peter Pan. These are all like my old school Disney characters, and oh my God, the only thing that's missing is I wish that some of the princesses were on here, specifically Cinderella, because Cinderella is my favorite Disney princess. But that's okay, all these other cool characters are on here and I'm so glad about it. But I want to tell you, if you buy a Spirit jersey, definitely do not buy it larger than you actually wear. This is a whole size smaller than I normally wear, and it fits me really nice. Like, it's still got some give, it's still a little bit baggy. So that's keep that in mind when buying a Spirit jersey. They run really large, so do not buy it oversized. Like, buy the size you wear, or maybe even go down the size if you don't want it to be huge. So that's that. I also got this blanket. RJ picked this out. RJ really loved this blanket that we found at the Character Warehouse. And let me see if I can show you the whole thing. So it's got the Disney castle on the back, Cinderella castle on the back, and it's also on the front too, but it's all sequins. So this is reversible sequins, so you get a different design based on which way you move your sequence. So I forgot what the actual technical term is for that, but you know what I mean. You flip the sequence one way and you get one picture, and then you flip it another way, you get another picture. It's so cute. I think this is a part of Disney's like Pride Celebration collection, but it is so cute, and of course represents a worthy cause, so we always like that. And we're just happy. RJ loves it. RJ fell in love with it immediately. Wanted to use it like on the plane on the way home. Like, as soon as we got it, he wanted to start using this thing. So he was very happy with this. Alright. And my very last Disney purchase from our trip is this photo frame. Me and RJ went to Disney for the first time, well, the parks for the first time, and we thought having a nice photo frame to frame one of our pictures would be great. So we bought this photo frame. I haven't put our picture in it yet, but I am going to. But it is so adorable. It says, making memories, spectacular fireworks, show your characters. It's got Mickey's signature on it. It says, oh boy. It's balloons, Mickey balloons, have a magical day, best vacation ever, where dreams come true, fast pass to fun. That's a play on words if you know what fast passes are. Have a very happy place, family fun. It's got fireworks, it's got the castle. Beautiful frame. I cannot wait to put one of RJ and I's pictures in here to show off the magical time that we had at Disney World. So that is all. If you enjoyed this haul, go ahead and hit the like button. Please also hit the subscribe button so that you can see everything else that we have going on. We do put out videos, new videos twice a week. And so we hope that you'll go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button so that you can be a part of the team. And when you do, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we come out with a new video. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to traveling with you again in the future. And until then, Team Reese all day.